In a world of wonders, we look to the skies, searching for truth in the cosmic disguise. What secrets are hidden beyond what we see? Let's question it all and set our minds free.
Satellites adrift when no engines ignite, in a vacuum where thrusters hold no might. Temperature soaring, metals would bend, yet the signals persist, the illusions won't end.
Contact with Voyager decades away, across endless miles or so they say. In the cold void where signals should fade, the deception persists, our doubts are relayed.
Ball-shaped planets, they say they revolve, but mere lights in the sky, mysteries unsolved. Shining above like lanterns so high, guiding our nights, twinkling lights as they fly by.
How can we zoom in on stars far away, seeing them clear as if just a short way? Yet agencies never reveal such a sight, keeping their distance, withholding the light. Stories they tell, but the truth we seek. Behind the curtain, the illusions peak. Question the skies and the tales they weave, for only by doubting can we truly perceive.
A modular foil, tape and some rods. They say it flew high, defying the odds. At thousands of speeds, it soared through the sky. But looking at it now, you can't help but sigh.
Like a stage prop from a school play scene, held together by foil and some tape in between. They say it traveled when no one had before, but its repulsive look just leaves us doubting more.
We were reasonably cautious that you didn't get any pointed objects through.
Yeah, the little module is so thin that you could punch a hole right through it.
In the ISS, where the puppets float, their symbols and signs get our minds to emote. Are they really scientists, or something more grim, flashing their signs with a secretive whim?
Behind the scenes of the floating crew, green screens paint a different view. A trick of the eye, a crafted illusion, leaving us all in a state of confusion.
They take it all, and we wonder why. Secrets hidden in the endless sky. We search for truth beyond the grand disguise, asking the questions that open our eyes. Bubbles floating in the so-called space. A pool reveals the astronaut's place in the buoyancy lab where they train and they play. The bubbles give the secret away. With snorkels in place, they're ready to dive. In the vacuum of space, they theatrically thrive. A laugh and a wink as they float and they play. Their secrets and bubbles just won't go away.
A camera on the moon streaming Earth in real time would show the world spinning, an image so sublime, but instead we get renders and artists' dreams. No real footage, just so easy. We take it all and we wonder why. Secrets hidden in the endless sky. We search for truth beyond the grand disguise, asking the questions that open our eyes.
Yo, the budgets are vast, the funds never small. Tax dollars poured into this grand cosmic ball. Yet all that we get are stories and tales, while the truth behind curtains quietly sails.
The Hubble shows us galaxies far and wide in vibrant colors with CGI as their guide. But never do they turn it back to our own blue sphere. A simple glance at Earth would make it all clear.
No spinning Earth from the satellite's gaze. No live videos to capture our days. With all that tech floating high in the sky, why no simple shot as proof from on high?
As the stars keep shining in the endless night, we keep seeking answers, reaching for the light. For every question leads to another door, and the quest for truth is what we're here for. As we journey through questions, the answers may hide, but with open minds we'll continue this ride. For truth is a journey, not just an end. And the more that we question, the more we transcend.
Question everything you see, 'cause space exploration ain't what it seems. NASA's budget disappears into fake shows year after year.
They fake it all and we wonder why. Secrets hidden in the endless sky. We search for truth beyond the grandest skies, asking the questions that open our eyes.
Yo,